Hello everyone and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today I present a very interesting project. We are going to build an audio player using Arduino and voice synthesis. This is the beginning of a series of projects that will be integrated into a much larger system. I decided to build it piece by piece to make it easier to understand and at the same time to evaluate each individual module for other purposes. You will notice that every part is very versatile. You just need to use your imagination or adapt it to your specific needs. Today, in addition to assembling the Arduino components, we will also cover some basic electronics. We will see how to use a transistor, a resistor, and a capacitor to create a small and simple audio amplifier. For this project, we will use an Arduino Mini, a breadboard, jumper wires, a 16x2 I2C LCD display, and a microSD card module. We will add 3 push buttons, a 10K potentiometer, a 2N2222 transistor, a 100 ohm resistor, a 16V 100 microfarad capacitor, speaker, and a 3.7V external battery. As always, I have prepared the wiring diagram, which you can find in the description below. We are at the end of the assembly. Now let's move to the computer, but first we need to prepare our audio files to be loaded onto the microSD card. These files must be modified to be read by the Arduino microcontroller. We will use a free online tool called Audio Converter to WAV, which is very simple and fast. Upload the MP3 or M4 file you want to convert. It is important to set the options to 8-bit, 16,000 Hz and mono mode. Then press submit. The file will be converted in a few moments. Click download and you will find it in your computer's download folder. Now you can copy and paste it onto your microSD. You can load as many as you want, 10 or 20, it's up to you. Now let's upload the code to Arduino. Plug in the USB cable, check the correct board and the communication port. In the code, you must enter the name of the audio file you created earlier. Once the file names are filled in, we upload the code. We will then test the finished project, and I will explain the full potential of this system.
Hello everyone from the R&M LAB GH project. Now I can finally speak and greet my audience. My creator has given me a voice, and in the future he will also give me the autonomy to answer your questions. This is the beginning of a long project that will grow with your support. I don't have an official name yet. For now, I am on voice and music. Besides speaking, I can play music files or whatever you like best. Greetings from One Voice and Music. Now my creator will explain everything about me. It was a pleasure meeting you.
As you have seen, we played back a voice that I created earlier by transforming text into an audio file and then converting it to WAV format. The system plays audio files on demand. I use copyright-free music to avoid any issues with YouTube, but you can upload whatever you like. Using the buttons, we can skip forward and backward through the tracks, while the middle button allows us to pause and resume playback. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and leave a comment. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.